Welcome back. We will analyze a couple of exams, but the analytical page, which is usually the last page of the exam. And it would be everything that you pretty much have learned for that level. So today, again, for level 5. So the first question always is, name the key of this piece. So let's take a look. We look at the key signature. We see just a G sharp. It starts on a C. So C, E, G, C, E, but how about if it's A, C, E? A, C, E, it's identifying A minor. So you're safer to say that this is in A minor. And also, there's a G sharp there, okay? And there. Write the time signature directly on the music. So if we look at the music itself, let's count 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and look at the bass clef 1, 2. We are safe to say it is 2, 4. Now remember, students tend to forget that if there's a brace, it has to be written in both places. Do not forget that. The triad at letter A is it the tonic? Is it the subdominant or is it the dominant? So let's take a look at letter A. So this is, maybe we said it's making an A, a C, and an E, and we have to look at the bass clef too. It is the tonic triad, and that's where you would mark off tonic triad, the first triad of the key. Circle a chromatic half step and label it directly on the music. So, chromatic, remember what we said? It has to be the same letter or the same note. Look at this, C to C sharp. Don't forget to look at the clef. We will circle that and say chromatic half step. The next question, circle a diatonic half step and label it directly. Diatonic, those D for different. So where would we see a diatonic half step? Oh, I see one right there. G sharp to A, diatonic half step. Okay. Name the interval at letter B. So we find letter B, and here it is. Now remember that this was a treble clef, so this is E to A. Always ask the major scale question. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll put a 4. In E major, do you play an A like that? Yes. So it's a perfect 4. Name the interval at letter C. Remember, this is a treble clef. In E major, do you play G sharp? Well, E major has Father Charles goes down. So it would be a major 3. Name the lowest note in this passage. Because this was a treble clef, who's the lowest note? Let us say that it is G sharp. Explain the meaning of andante. So it is moderately slow, and it means at a walking pace. Okay, so that's what you would write in. Explain the meaning of expressivo. So just like the word says, to play expressively or with expression. And this is the whole exam. As always,
that was easy.
Please subscribe to get all the upcoming videos.